Hey, that was kind of fun. For a clown, you swing a pretty mean racket.
Why, thank you. My mother would be so happy to know that, after what happened at summer camp, something good came out of it.
What? You had trouble at tennis camp, too? I was sent home early one summer when the counselors discovered tree frogs in their water bottles.
Oh, no. It was nothing like that. Actually, it was more of a terrorist training summer camp run by a right-wing militia group. We only had tennis lessons, while the obstacle course and machine gun range was being rebuilt after the FBI discovered our secret hideout.
Oh, come on. Since when did terrorists start dressing like clowns?
Terrorist? No way. I suppose if you had been sent to a summer camp run by the Church of Scientology, that would make you some kind of an immortal being now?
Well, as a matter of fact, I did go to a camp for Scientologists. And it was Kirstie Alley who showed me where to catch the frogs.